If you're building an online store with WordPress, speed isn't just a luxury, it's your secret weapon. Faster sites rank better, convert more, and give your customers a smoother experience. In this video, I'll break down 5 of the fastest and most reliable WordPress themes for WooCommerce. ShopMania. ShopMania is your all-in-one solution for blazing fast e-commerce performance. No matter you are building any type of e-commerce website, this theme is perfect. ShopMania is lightning fast, scoring top marks on speed tests. That means quicker load times and happier customers. Optimized for WooCommerce, ShopMania handles everything from small boutiques to high-traffic megastores, smoothly and reliably. Whether your visitors are shopping on desktop, tablet, or mobile, ShopMania adapts perfectly, with pixel-perfect design every time. With powerful theme options and drag-and-drop builders like Elementor, you can create any look you want, no coding is needed. Product Compare, Ajax Search, bought together, header and footer designs, cart styles, structural control, white label, and many more features ShopMania has, ready out of the box. It works seamlessly with top plugins from SEO to multilingual support. Now let's see how you can install the theme and import a template. Open your dashboard, go to Appearance. Click on Add Theme, go to the search bar and search for ShopMania. Install and activate the theme. Now navigate to Appearance and click on ShopMania Options. Go to Starter Templates. Click on Starter Site Plugin and then on Import Demo. Here you will find all the templates made on ShopMania. These templates are premium. To unlock them, click on Upgrade to Pro. Now let's import one. Click on a template. Here you can preview the full site. After all, click on Continue. Click on Build My Website. It may take a few seconds. Please wait. Once your website is built, you can directly customize it from here. The customization is done with Elementor. You can make necessary changes and publish your site. Now view your site. It is ready. If you upgrade this theme to Pro, you get 60+ templates, advanced customization, mobile theme layouts, 20+ WooCommerce add-ons, and many more. Open Shop. Open Shop is a speedy, stylish WooCommerce theme built for modern online stores. It is built for speed, it's lightweight, SEO optimized, and scores top marks on performance tools like Google Lighthouse and GTmetrix. Fully responsive and mobile ready, Open Shop gives every customer the same fast, smooth experience. Packed with powerful features, Open Shop supports WooCommerce flawlessly, offers pre-designed homepage layouts. Header and footer layouts enhance your website's structure, branding, and usability. They let you customize navigation, showcase key info like contact and social links, and improve user experience. The Ajax search feature instantly displays product results as users type, making it faster and easier to find items. This real-time search improves user experience, reduces bounce rates, and increases sales. To download this theme and import a site, open your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance and click on Add Theme. In the search bar, search Open Shop. Install the theme, and now activate it. After activation, go to the Open Shop options. Go to Demo Import, install and activate the Hunk companion. Now click on the Import Demo. Click on Create My Website. Choose a demo. Click on Continue and then on Build My Website. The website is ready, you can customize your site from here. This is Customizer, which lets you customize the full site. Now go to View Website. This is your site. If you upgrade your site to Pro, you get page templates, product slider widget, advanced typography, custom sections, and many more. Top Store. Welcome to Top Store, the perfect WooCommerce theme designed for speed, style, and seamless shopping experiences. With lightning-fast loading times, Top Store ensures your customers never have to wait. Enjoy a clean, modern design that's fully customizable to match your brand, no coding required. Customize colors, fonts, layouts, and more with ease. Mobile-friendly and fully responsive, Top Store guarantees your store looks stunning on any device, from smartphones to large desktop screens. SEO optimized right out of the box, Top Store helps your store rank higher in search results, bringing more traffic and more sales. Plus, with dedicated support and regular updates, your store stays secure, fast, and up to date with the latest e-commerce trends. You can create websites like bike store, grocery shop, electronics shop, multi-vendor store, and many more, so you don't need to design your website from scratch. Royal Shop. Meet Royal Shop, a blazing fast WooCommerce theme designed to boost your online store's performance and style. Royal Shop is optimized for speed. With lightweight code, clean structure, and minimal dependencies, your site loads in under seconds. Faster sites mean better SEO, higher conversions, and happier customers. Royal Shop is lightweight, no bloated code, no unnecessary scripts. Your store stays lean and lightning fast, even as you scale up. Customize in real time, change colors, typography, and layouts with the customizer. Design freely without compromising your site's performance. No coding or any technical knowledge needed. Since most of the users use mobile to access websites, it is fully responsive, delivering the same blazing speed on phones and tablets. Zeta. Zeta is a multipurpose theme capable of building any type of website. It's optimized, lightweight code achieves blazing fast load times, Google loves it, and so will you. Fully compatible with popular page builders like Elementor. Choose from 50+ pre-built demo sites, import with one click and then customize with Elementor add-ons. Its WooCommerce features, like Ajax search bar, product compare, variation swatches, and many more, are enough to provide a smooth experience to users. Harness full layout control and choose from multiple header styles and footer layouts. Enjoy sticky headers and footers, plus full color and typography settings with Google Fonts. Thanks for watching! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more WordPress tips. Let me know your favorite theme in the comments below. For more speed-boosting content, stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy building!